Hi everyone, this is Rashi Sopti from Rashi Sopti Makeup. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be teaching you how to create the classic golden smoky eyes. To create a base for eye makeup, I'm using a concealer. You can also use a primer for the same. Blend this really well with a damp beauty blender or even a brush, and then set it up with some loose powder. Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first shade that I've taken for my crease is Burnt Orange. I have then moved on to using Sienna from the same palette, and I'm deepening my crease here. This is going to give a 3D effect to the eyes, and it's going to add a lot of depth. To define the crease all the more, I take Cypress Umber from the same palette and define my crease line, and then blend it really well with a plain brush which doesn't have any extra product on. I have taken Glistening on my brush, which is a very subtle golden shade, just to cover the inner lids of the eyes. Now with the same brush that I had used for blending before, I am now just blending the lid and the crease together. Adding a little sparkle by adding this liquid eyeshadow from Forever 52. Creating a smudge eyeliner by using a kajal pencil. I'm blending this kajal from edge to edge. To make my eyes look bigger without using a kajal, I am now applying the same brown shades from the lid under my lower lashes. Topping it up with mascara, both in my lower lashes and the upper lashes. I like to keep my eyebrows very natural, so I am just using a brow pencil and then I will just roughly brush them off. Completing my eye look by applying the OTT lashes from Nykaa Beauty. And guys, that's my version of the classic golden smoky eyes. Starting the face makeup by using a primer by Forever 52 and applying it all over. I'm now applying an orange corrector in the areas which have pigmentation and acne marks. Blending it really well with a beauty blender. To conceal the pigmentation and the acne marks, the blemishes, I am using a concealer 2 shades darker. I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte today as my foundation. I'm now using a concealer 2 shades lighter to highlight the high points of my face, and then blending it really well with the foundation. Setting it up with loose powder to avoid any crease or any lines. Now using the same powder freely to set the base. Using the NYX matte bronzer to make my face look chiseled, I'm contouring the cheekbones, the jawline, and my nose. Now just brushing away the excess powder. Applying the highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is Precious Petals. Applying it on the high points, the cheekbones, the brow bone, and the temples of my face, nose, cupid's bow, and the chin. Time to pop some blush on the face. I'm using Coral by Bobbi Brown. Finishing the look with Gulabe from Smashbox India, and now packing this entire look up with a setting spray from PAC Cosmetics. And there you have it, ladies, my complete look in natural room light. All the information about the products used is going to be given in the description below. Ladies, if you like what you saw, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon with a new video.